Oh, oh man.
What the actual censored word?
Daddy?
Holy Swiss cheese.
Just kidding, just kidding. Could you imagine how messed up that would be, though?
What, and all this isn't right now?
Relax. I'm just a part of you.
Which part?
The gooey part.
Okay, that's gross. Oh, am I okay?
You tell me. You coughed up an entire human.
Listen, my allergies have been so bad, and I don't even know why, and how could this happen?
Chemicals in the air.
Wait, what?
I said festivals, at the fair.
This just can't be real. Wait, can you move?
Dude, I'm kind of in pain.
Why are you in pain?
If someone flung you warp speed outside their mouth.
Okay, I get it. I get it.
Yeah, sure you do.
Okay, so this is real?
Actually, it's not real.
What? Really? What makes you say that?
You passed out after you coughed. This is a dream. Look over there.
I am not a pretty sleeper.